Hello everyone. Whether you are an aspiring security analyst, a network engineer looking to harden your infrastructure, a developer building secure applications, or just starting your career in IT and curious about the bedrock of digital security, understanding PKI is not just important, it is absolutely fundamental. Think of this module as laying the concrete foundation for a skyscraper in the digital world. Without a solid, secure foundation like PKI, everything else we build in cybersecurity, from secure websites to encrypted communications, would be unstable, vulnerable, and ultimately collapse. We are about to dive into the core technology that makes digital trust possible. In today's hyper-connected world, virtually every significant interaction happens digitally. Online banking, e-commerce, confidential email exchanges, secure remote work, even updates to your operating system. They all rely on digital interactions. But here is the core question. How do you know that the website you are visiting is actually your bank, not a clever phishing site? How can you be certain that the email from your CEO truly came from them and hasn't been intercepted and altered by an attacker? The internet, in its initial design, prioritized open communication and accessibility over inherent security. This created a massive trust problem. Without mechanisms to verify identities, ensure data integrity, and guarantee confidentiality, the digital realm would be a chaotic, dangerous, and unusable space. This is precisely where public key infrastructure or PKI steps in to solve this monumental challenge. Imagine trying to send a classified document by physical mail without envelopes or identity verification for the sender or receiver. That is how insecure the digital world would be without PKI. It is truly the invisible guardian of our digital lives. So, what exactly is public key infrastructure? Simply put, PKI is a robust, comprehensive framework of policies, procedures, and technologies specifically designed to enable secure digital communication and establish trust online. It is the sophisticated system that allows you to verify digital identities, ensure the integrity of transmitted information, and maintain confidentiality. You can envision it as the global digital passport control system, but for data, devices, and digital identities across the internet. At its heart, PKI primarily relies on public key cryptography to securely issue, distribute, and manage digital certificates. These certificates are like digital IDs that bind a public key to an entity's identity verified by a trusted third party. Think about the last time you saw a padlock icon in your browser's address bar. What did that tell you? That is PKI at work. And we are going to demystify how it provides that assurance. Let us get practical. You have almost certainly encountered PKI in your daily life, even if you did not realize it. Every time you see HTTPS in your browser's address bar or that reassuring padlock icon, that is PKI guaranteeing your connection to the website is encrypted and that you are indeed talking to the legitimate server, not an imposter trying a man in the middle attack. Understanding PKI is not just theoretical knowledge, it is an absolutely critical, highly sought after skill. Mastery of PKI will empower you in numerous professional contexts. Often, what seems like a network problem is actually a certificate issue. You will be able to diagnose common errors like untrusted certificate authority and understand their root cause. You will be instrumental in setting up secure VPNs, especially IPsec VPNs, configuring secure email, implementing code signing to verify software authenticity, and authenticating IoT devices in enterprise networks. This includes configuring single sign-on solutions, implementing smart card authentication, and managing machine identities for secure device communication within an organization. Understanding certificate revocation process is crucial. What happens if a private key is compromised? How do you manage certificate lifecycle to mitigate risks during a breach? According to industry reports, PKI expertise is top 5 skill listed in job descriptions for security engineers and architects. It is foundational for cloud security, network security, and application security. By the end of this module, you will not just know what PKI stands for, you will gain a deep, actionable understanding of its core components: certificate authorities, registration authorities, digital certificates, and revocation lists. More importantly, you will comprehend how these components interact to form a robust chain of trust that underpins virtually all modern digital security. You will gain invaluable insights into how this foundational technology protects everything from your personal banking transactions to critical global enterprise networks and national infrastructure. We will break down these complex concepts into digestible pieces using practical analogies and examples, ensuring you have a solid foundational understanding of this vital cybersecurity concept.